how to create Google Voice number for free. Just go to Google and then type in Google Voice and then add number to it and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, just select the official site of Google Voice, just like this one, and then to bring you right here. So over here, what you have to do is to select your US number. That will be your Google Voice number. Okay, so just look through. If you want the one that they have provided over here, as you can see, we have nearby cities. You can select that one. If you don't want the one that they have provided, you can simply come to the search and then put in any area code. So I'm going to use 401. Okay, and then as you can see, we have all these numbers available that I can simply click on select to select it. If you don't want it, just come here and then click on show more. Okay, just click on show more and then you'll get more numbers as well. Okay, so I'm going to select one of them. Just look through and then click on the select. So I'm selecting this one, so just click on select and it will claim it for me. The next thing I have to do is to simply verify it and then it will be mine. Okay, so what you have to do is just come in and click on verify. So when you click on the verify, the next thing that you need is a US number. You need to put a US number to link it with. So if you don't have a US number, I'm having a link of a video on how to get a free US number in the description down below. Just click on it and then watch it. After that, just come here and then put your US number here and then click on send code. Okay, they are going to send you a 6-digit code on that number and then you are going to put it right in and it will come just like this one. All that you have to do is just click on claim and then the next thing I have to do is to simply click on finish. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully created our Google Voice number. It is as easy as ABC. We can use it to call and then we can use it to test, we can use it to do everything and it's mostly free. So this is how to create a Google Voice number for free. Then thank you for watching and see you in my next video.